And we are live. Why am I cranky? I just want to get my API PR, and Jack's the only one that gives it love. It's like 3 lines of code.
How many programmers do we have at this company?
I want Jason to look at it. That's all I said.
I'll look at it for you.
All right, guys. So today was an exciting day. I did some pair programming with Nate and solved some issues with the course comment stuff on iOS, and it's looking really awesome. He's done a great job with that UI. I had a call with Jason with web stuff, and he's knocking out a new feature for checkout, which is really cool. And then I've been working on the Windows app all afternoon, and it's looking pretty cool. But I'll let Jack show that off when he's up. So that's pretty cool. How about you, Nate?
Yeah. Today, so like Jacob said, we went over a call, had the comment feature, fixed some things with like the index path and everything. And like he said, it is looking good. And then I've been doing the Mac UI and everything. So I've got a popover basically ready, so a user can like select a photo to upload, profile image and stuff. And there's more to it than that, but that's about it. That's my
Sweet, man.
Mac work.
Awesome. How about you, Mark?
Yeah. I did lots of stuff. Just business stuff, and emails, setting up email automations early this morning and over the weekend. Basically, rather than doing direct sales emails, we're going to be sending out emails that offer a lot more value. You know, here's some articles, here's some GitHub libraries, or 5 ways to better retain knowledge in programming, and then we're going to show maybe some courses in there that help solve those problems. Not to mention the fact that we're going to be pumping out about 5 new target topics a week, and so you'll be seeing those go out in weekly emails, so students can see all the new stuff that we're coming out with, because we're going to be coming out with a lot of new stuff. And so subscribe now. But aside from that, had a call today just with Jacob and Evan, talking about company from a top-down perspective and what we need to accomplish this week. And of course, Evan is getting married this week, so we won't see much of him, but that's exciting. And we'll lose him next week too. And then we'll lose him for the rest of our lives because he's got the old ball and chain now. So just kidding. So real excited. And then I've been working with Jason. I'm going to work with Jason into the night to finish out this. We're going to pair program to finish out this feature because we have some big tasks that we need to do right after, and some grand plans and scheming and stuff. We've been scheming. So anyway, that's the scoop.
Sweet, man. Jason.
Just lots of web dev, and yeah, going to be doing some pair programming with Mark into the night, and been brushing up on a ton of JavaScript, which has been good. So that's been nice, and then took care of the Kotlin course. I haven't followed up. Has that been pushed live? The app, the last section of it?
No, it hasn't.
Okay. Let me add one more lesson. Johnny just finished the last lesson to it, and then it'll be about like 10 new lessons or something almost to finish up the last section of the Kotlin course, which will be great. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Oh, and so it looks like guys, for you guys and for those of you who are watching, this Android Kotlin course is the last course we'll be selling as an individual course. So all courses after, including these ones, they're all going to be part of our membership, and we're going to be creating, again, 5 new topics minimum per week. So if you're a subscriber already, what you're going to see is just thousands of hours of content being added week after week after week, and you're going to basically have everything you would ever need to know about iOS and Android. We're going deep on all those topics. So anyway, in the near future, the prices may increase as well too. So we have our free trial available. Now is the time to get in on this because the course purchases are going away, and we are not to mention the fact that if you join our membership, you get help in our Slack channel, our private subscriber-only Slack channel, where we personally help you with all your coding issues. The whole team, we're there all day long. And for career advice and other things like that, portfolio review, we'll look at your apps, we'll look at your resume, and you get that all as part of the Devslopes membership. So if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, you should definitely be there because obviously you're interested in having success. So that's all.
Sweet, man. All right, Janet B.
Good day. Finally finished up the chat app. Spent all weekend working on that. So that is done. Yeah, Jason got all of it uploaded except for that one last lesson, but that'll be up soon as well. So now I have been working on getting the next section up, which is I'm gonna do the submitting to the Google Play Store section next. That shouldn't take too long. And then it'll be on to the last 2 apps. So that's what I've done. And then just some Udemy QA stuff and some Discord stuff. So
good work,
that's
man.
me.
Good work.
Very nice. All right, Jack Attack.
Yo, so let me start off by saying that ditching Xamarin and moving over to UWP was probably a great decision. Do you want me to share my screen?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
I'll show you what we've got so far. We've got some navigation issues, but it's coming along pretty nicely. I actually got the skeleton of this up Saturday afternoon, I believe. So all the UI here, we've got the slide out menu. We had a meeting with Evan today and talked about it, and we stripped it, pretty far back for version 1. Basically, home is your slope screen here. And then you're going to have my courses. When you start a course, it'll populate that with, you'll be able to go here and look at the ones you've already viewed in this app. Chat room is going to open up a Discord link.
Right.
And then account is your sign-in page.
You know what, Jack? If someone's a subscriber, you should have that link open up slide. That'd be cool.
Yeah, it would be cool.
I don't know how that would work, but it seems interesting.
You can open up any URL, so I'll have to check into it and see, but I don't think it'd be a problem. You can open up the default app for whatever's registered for that. So
this looks great, guys.
But I mean, it resizes nicely. Like I said, I've got some navigation issues right now, but you can go into slopes.
Nice.
Here's your courses. We can go back home. Here's the Apple slope. So I got that grid view and everything working, and then Jacob got the I had some fake data loading up in it, and then he got the realm data stuff in there, and then he did this this list view here for it. So
this is tricky. I feel like the Windows app, just based on what you've done, was so much easier than all the Windows, on the Mac app. I just remember Johnny and Jacob just being super stressed with all this, and it's Windows gives us this all out of the box, no problems.
It's almost like web development. It's kind of like React, the XAML stuff.
Okay.
It's really cool because
it goes pretty quick.
Yeah, I mean, it's just like XML, and your controls are just in a tag, kind of like React is, your components. And I mean, it's really cool. And I mean, I literally got the skeleton for this done in 2 hours Saturday afternoon. So
yeah, and I take back what I said about XAML. It's really nice.
That was just like
Yeah,
3 weeks ago.
we bumped our head for months. We bumped our head for months with Xamarin, and I don't know if it's just not mature enough, if we were holding it wrong or what. But
you guys are so funny. Like, you've been banging your heads on Xamarin, and like when I said, well, let's do Windows if it's faster, you guys are like, or Jack, you're like, oh, I'm so glad you said that. Like, as if like I was like head struck on like Xamarin. You should have just told me like a month ago if you didn't like it, that we should not use it.
well, I did mention it one time, and you said, well, we need the Android app too, so I left it at that.
You were too nice then, probably. You're probably just like, oh, it's not as easy, but I'll probably figure it out. That was probably your version of like, let's not do this. And I was like, well, that's he'll figure it out, I'm sure.
Yeah, I think you're right. But anyway, it's coming along well. I think we'll be done this week. Should be anyway.
That's so cool. That's great. We have quite a few handful of students that I've told not to get refunds on the Android course who've purchased, because this is coming out next week. So that would be ideal.
Yeah, we just got to get in there and figure out the Windows. Are we going to do this Windows Store or what?
Sounds like it. It sounds like Evan wants to do that, and we need to check out if we're allowed to do subscriptions outside of the Windows environment. If that's against the rules or not, I don't know the answer.
Okay. I'll check it out. I mean, I think that'd be a good way to go with updates and everything. So.
Yeah, we'll be one of the very few Windows apps out there that like maybe we can get featured #1, because it's just like, someone made a Windows app. Yes.
It'd be cool.
Well,
That's all I got.
If you think about it, pretty much all Windows apps are distributed as EXEs from websites. Nobody ever goes to the Windows App Store to download apps. So I'm just saying it would be kind of cool. It'd be kind of cool.
Yeah. And we do have the video player working as well, by the way. It looks really good, the native video player. So
great. Nice. Good job. You guys are great. Like, can you believe like where we've come from? Just me like making stupid videos to like us like having all these platforms and making lots of stupid videos. Like, we're just like, it's good. Like, this is really cool stuff. Windows apps, Mac apps. Johnny's like mastering and loving Android, and like, I don't know, like the team's growing. Caleb's like way more hipster now this year than he was a year before, and like all this. Yeah, just
I heard that.
A lot's happened. It's good work, everybody. This is really good stuff.
Is that the new yardstick by which we measure our success?
Yeah, beard, length, and a level of hipsterness. I'm like, I'm way out of the league. Like, you guys are way ahead of me, but.
Oh wait, 1 second.
He really runs. I love it. Was that a bathroom trick, or is he coming back to show us something?
I think he left his cookies in the oven.
Oh. Oh, zip it up.
Oh, yeah.
Zip it up.
Just got it in today.
Oh,
Mine's
sweet.
coming tomorrow. Yes.
You are the first person. Wow. Swift, ship
Ooh,
it. I love it.
That's cool.
I love it.
That looks so good.
Where can you get this sweater?
I think a little website called coderswag.com.
He's like Amazon. Coderswag.com. Love it. Looks good on you.
Okay, it's hot.
Arizona.
Just turn your AC down.
It's awesome though.
Just make
Thanks,
your
guys.
house like
Johnny,
60 degrees.
What, Caleb?
Oh, I was just saying, what's the... I
Caleb,
was just asking what the print resolution was like. Can you hear me?
Yep.
The print on the sweater?
Yeah, like, does it look like how does it look? Because I'm just curious how, like, does it look like a really high quality print?
Caleb's like, it's all blurry in my view.
I think it's fine.
Nice, that's good. I'm just curious. That's something that I geek out about is print resolution on fabric. So I'm just really excited to see mine tomorrow. I got my beach ball pattern shirt.
Like, it's like the best of the best.
Yeah, it is. Nice. I'm gonna do a live unboxing tomorrow on Instagram when I get my shirts.
Cool.
I'm excited.
It's your turn, Caleb.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Sorry, guys. If you can't hear me or see me, that's because I'm on really crappy service. But anyway, it seems like you can hear me now, so that's good. Today.
It's the only time it cut out.
Then I spent the rest of my day building out the app for the in-app purchase target topic I'm working on. And I got consumables, non-consumables, and restoring subscriptions and subscription trials, and then code review, and then recording and stuff will start.
Great. Good job, man. You're a killer.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Sweet. I guess that's everything. Oh, let's see. We had an update. Oh, I guess you kind of covered everything Evan did. Cool. So now we can go after a short period of awkward silence.
Let's enjoy it.
After a short period of awkward silence.
Have a good night. See ya.
Later.